Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. To begin the process, open the Facebook application. Now once you open the Facebook, you need to tap on that menu icon, that is the three horizontal lines. And from there you scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Setting. Now in the Setting and Privacy, you need to scroll down to the Preference, and in the Preference, if you look at the very end of the option, you will have the option of dark mode. You just tap that. So the setting for the theme for the Facebook is currently light. For you to enable a dark mode, all you have to do is tap on and you can see the changes. The Facebook is in dark mode right now. So this is how you can easily enable dark mode on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.